Hello! Gonna be setting up my Christmas present. I was given a Ridgid 10-inch sliding miter saw, has a dual bevel. So all the pieces and parts were in the box. It was kind of handy that everything was just right on top and then the saw was on the bottom. It's a very chilly day here in Utah. The heater was not cutting it today, so I made it quick in and out of the shop. The saw is pretty heavy to pick up, which is good for a saw so it doesn't run away from you in my estimation, but it makes unpacking it a pain. Also have the right cutters so you can easily get through these big zip ties. I forgot to turn the camera when I attached it to my Wen miter saw stand, so we're just going to jump ahead to me checking the saw. Just making sure that the rollers on the Wen miter saw stand are level with the base of the miter saw. Putting on the tiny dust bag, and I mean it is tiny, so I might need to look into a dust collection system at some point. Now it's time to make sure everything's nice and square. Luckily right out of the box the fence was nice and square and the blade's nice and square, so I didn't have to make any adjustments. Here's the shadow line feature of this saw. It theoretically will make it to where any blade I put in there will be just a shadow line, and I won't have to adjust anything like a laser. So it's hard to see in the video, but there's a tiny amount of blade deflection, which is fairly acceptable for me. So the saw's all ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.